Hi, my name is Adrian. I'm a data librarian at Axiom Data Science, and today I want to show you the Animal Telemetry Network Data Portal for discovering and visualizing cool data sets. So when you visit the Animal Telemetry Network Data Portal, the homepage looks like this. There's a blue navigation bar at the top where you can get to our catalog to search for data, the map to visualize and explore data through a graphic interface, as well as the settings, the share link. All of our help documentation is available here as well, and the feedback button. We always welcome feedback. There's a few projects curated here in the middle of the main page so that you could jump right in, but you can also start with the search function. So if you visit the catalog, there's a search bar here at the top and some options to filter directly below. So for example, I were to search for sea lions. I simply enter my search term and process the search, and I get a mix of results that include everything from data sets themselves to the project related. If you're to click through one of these search results, say on the title, you come to the catalog entry page with the metadata for the project and the data set. It includes the overview, the abstract, the folks involved, and further project information. There's also a blue button here right below the title on the data catalog page where you can add or remove this data to your map to visualize. So once you click through and have the dataset added to your map, this little icon next to the map in the blue navigation bar will indicate how many layers you've added. So I have 2 here. So when we take a look at our map, we have our world map here on the left-hand side and the legend here on the right. And in the legend are boxes for each data set we've added. So there's a few options to alter the view here. We can hide or show a layer with a little eyeball next to the title. We can zoom to the extent of that data set with a magnifying glass zoom. And there's a little X here so that you can remove a data layer from your visualization if you wish. You can also zoom with this zoom tool here on the top left that gives you a pointer that allows you to click and drag and zoom to a specific extent as well. So you have some options to filter through your data here. Say if you just want to see one data point, and it'll come up in visualization here on the side. For this data set, I have the option between hexes and tracks. So you may be wondering, what the heck are these hexes? The hex bins are automatically adjusting to the particulars of your selected data, and they give an indication of data points within a location. And zooming in and out automatically changes these calculations and the density of the view. So you can see here that the hex bins have changed based on how my zoom of the map is. You'll see next to the legend here that there's also a tab finding data with a little magnifying glass icon, and this is a quick search that you can enter in a search term and find data sets from the Animal Telemetry Network to add to your visualization. So for instance, bowhead whale, this little blue icon to the left of the title of the data set will allow you to add that to your map. You come back to your legend, you'll see that that box has been added, and now I can see the particulars of this data set. So say now that I have a visualization that I'd like to share, it's easy to do so with this share link here at the top to the right of the settings. And that will create a URL for you that shows this data set and this view that you've sculpted specifically. So you can copy and paste that and share as you please to show this set of data and this visualization with as many other folks. Once they open it up, they can have access to the legend and tinker around as they wish as well. So hopefully I've shown you a really cool data portal that you want to know how to get your data into. Off of our main page, there's an option at the bottom about integrating data with the step-by-step instructions for submitting your data to this data portal. The first step is to log in to the registration app and enter some project metadata. Then you'll have to grant access for the Animal Telemetry Network Data Assembly Center to your data feeds by contacting your tag vendor. And again, this help documentation gives you all of the details about how to do that. So thank you for your attention. Please feel free to reach out to us with questions, and we hope you have fun exploring and visualizing data.